Second class science, air everywhere lesson, air everywhere. This lesson explanation is completed. Yes, today we will discuss this lesson. Tick the correct option, bit part. Okay, tick the correct option. Next, true or false, fill in the blanks. Today we will discuss these three parts. Okay, let us answer. Tick the correct answer. Okay, here say children, first one, this helps to fly a kite. Option A, smoke. Option B, wind. Option C, water vapor. This helps us to fly a kite. Wind. Option B. Okay, next, the second one, these make the air clean. Green plants, animals, human beings. Which one is the correct answer? Yes, green plants make the air clean. Yes, option A. Next, when the air is fast and strong, it is called breeze, wind, storm. Which one? Very good, storm. C, option C. Next, first one, this helps us to fly a kite. Wind. These make the air clean. Green plants. When the air is fast and strong, it is called storm. First one, option B. Second one, option A. Third one, option C. Okay. Next, write B beat. Write T for true or A for false. Okay. We cannot see or touch air. We cannot. Yes, true. T. Okay, next. Smoke, dust and germs keep the air clean. No, false. Okay. We cannot see or touch air. Yes, it's true. Next. Smoke, dust and germs keep the air clean. No, it's false. Third one. Germs can make us sick. True. Yes, very good. Next, trees keep the air impure. False. Very good. False. Next, here see children, see bit, fill in the blanks. People, animals and plants need dash to live. Very good. Air. A-I-R. Air. People, animals and plants need air to live. Next, second bit, dash and germs make air impure. Smoke and dust. Yes, M-O-K-E. Smoke and dust. D-U-S-T. Dust. Smoke, dust and germs make air impure. Okay, impure means pollution. Okay, it's not pure. Okay, smoke, dust and germs make air impure. Okay, first one, people, animals and plants need air to live. Second one, smoke, dust and germs make air impure. Next, third one, when we sleep we should not dash our face. Cover. C-O-V-E-R. Cover. When we sleep, we should not cover our face. Okay, can you understand, children? When we sleep, we should not cover our face with blankets. Okay, next, moving air is called what? Moving air is called what? Wind. Yes, moving air is called wind. W-I-N-D. Wind. Okay. And dash winds can cause storm. Breeze. Dash winds can cause storm. Fast and strong winds. Yes, F-A-S-T. Fast and strong. S-T-R-O-N-G. Strong winds can cause storm. Okay, can you understand? First one, air, A-I-R, air. Second one, yes, M-O-K-E, smoke, D-U-S-T, dust. Both and germs make air impure. Smoke, dust, germs. These three are make air impure. When we sleep, we should not cover our face. Moving air is called wind. Fast and strong winds can cause a storm. Okay, next here say children, debit, fill in the missing letters to name these types of moving air. Okay, fill in the missing letters to name these types of moving air. Okay, first one, breeze. Fast గా మూవ్ అవుతుంది కదా, breeze. BRE E-Z-E, breeze. BREEZE, breeze. And very fast, yes, very fast wind is called breeze. BREEZE, breeze. Next, wind. WIND, wind. WIND, wind. Okay, next here, very fast and strong air. Has here picture, see, very fast and strong. Things are away from areas.
Storm.
It's called
Storm.
storm. Very good. STORM, storm. It is a very fast air here. It's a breeze. It is wind. Okay, moving air. It's only moving. Air is moving. It's called wind. Very fast and strong air called storm. Okay. Next here say EBIT. Answer these questions. Yes. Who needs air? What does air contains? What is a breeze? List 3 ways in which the wind helps us. How are storms harmful? Next, 6th question. What is a weathercock used for? Okay. Next here say children, HBIT. Tomorrow we will discuss answers. Okay. EBIT answers tomorrow class we will discuss. Next here HBIT. A breeze helps us fly a kite. Help Appu and Mona to reach their kites. You can try it the way of the kites. Okay, Mona and Appu ki help cheyandi meeru kites దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళడానికి. Okay, can you understand? And once again I repeat you, here say children, tick the correct answer. First one option B, second one option A, third one option C. We cannot see or touch air. True. Smoke, dust and germs keep the air clean. False. Okay. Third one, germs can make us sick. True. Trees keep the air impure. It's false. People, animals and plants need air to live. Smoke, dust and germs make air impure. When we sleep, we should not cover our face. Moving air is called wind. Fast and strong winds can cause storm. Okay, fill in the missing letters to name these types of moving air. Very fast moving air is called breeze. BREEZE, breeze. Moving air is called wind. WIND, wind. And very fast and strong air, strong wind called as storm. STORM, storm. Okay, can you understand children? You also complete and in your textbook fill in the blanks, true or false, tick the correct option and missing letters. Okay, thank you.